In this video, I'll show you how to make a background transparent in Canva the right way so you can use your design for logos, overlays, or professional graphics. Start by opening Canva and creating or opening your design. Add your image or logo to the canvas. If your image already has a background you want to remove, click on the image first so it's selected. Now look at the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. If you're using Canva Pro, you'll see the Background Remover tool. Click Background Remover and Canva will automatically erase the background around your subject. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once it finishes, review the result. If small areas need fixing, use the Erase or Restore brush to clean up edges. If you're using the free version of Canva, you won't have the automatic background remover. In that case, you'll need to remove the background using a free external tool first, then upload the PNG file with the background already removed back into Canva. After your background is removed, it's very important to download it correctly. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as the file type. If you have Canva Pro, make sure to turn on the transparent background option before downloading. This ensures your image saves without any white or colored background behind it. If you leave that option off, Canva will automatically place your design on a white background. Once downloaded as a PNG with transparency enabled, your image is ready to use on websites, documents, or layered over other graphics without any visible background. And that's it. That's how you create a true transparent background in Canva and export it properly for professional use.